In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Doordash discount promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, you have to open your web browser and go to Google and then search for Doordash promo codes. Right here, you should be able to see this website, which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different deals or promo codes for DoorDash. And for example, if you want to get this 30% off coupon code, all you have to do is select the option for coupon code right here, and this is our discount code. So when you make the purchase, if you use this code right here, you will get the 30% of discount. Also, if you go back to your main search right here and scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find these simply codes from website. And right here, as you can see, there are other promo codes and offers that we can use. So, for example, if you want to use this one right here, here is the discount code. You can copy this code, and when you make a purchase, you can use this coupon in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.